Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jazz. This channel is all about lifestyle, motherhood, and food. Duh. If you want or need more mom friends, then press that subscribe button and comment down below how many kids you have and how old your kids are. I have a 3-year-old and a 5-year-old. I have a son and a daughter. And so today is Saturday morning, and oh, look, it wouldn't be a morning if I didn't have a kid in my bed. No matter if I take my daughter to her room, she always finds a way back into my bed. Some days my son will find his way, but he'll wait later on, like maybe at 6 in the morning, and he'll come in and he'll just fall right back asleep. So I am going to attempt to still make my bed with her laying here because this is my quiet time and my time to get things done. I know it's not perfect, but hey, I tried, and I'll take a sleeping toddler over an awake crying toddler any day. Being a stay-at-home mom, it can feel very repetitive, especially when it comes to doing laundry. So I decided to purchase a clean laundry basket. Everything that is clean goes into this basket. That way, once all the clothes are in there, I can fold them and put them away little by little and not feel so overwhelmed. I usually have my kids help with putting their clothes away because, child, if they can walk and talk, they can do all that. You can certainly put your own clothes away. This also gives me a chance to get rid of my kids' clothes that they can no longer fit. It wouldn't be a house full of toddlers if there was not a random sock floating around my house. Oh my goodness. That's why I love these mesh bags from Clean Home Design. If you guys haven't checked them out, make sure you do. They keep your undergarments and your socks from being eaten by the dryer monster. All you do is put them in the washing machine, and then it just washes everything, and you just throw the entire bag in the dryer, and then it dries everything. And it keeps all of your stuff nice and clean. Everything is together. All of your socks stay together. So that's the best thing about it. But like I said, my kids are asleep, so I will take a sleeping toddler over a crying toddler any day. So I decided to put their clothes away today. Now, I'm putting my husband's shirts behind me because I don't want to leave him out of the fun. So he can hang up his shirts when he has time. So I'm not searching in his closet for hangers because his closet gives me so much anxiety. He just loves to buy like so many clothes. And I am more of a woman of like quality over quantity. So I don't need to have 50 white shirts and like 30 different color green shirts. Like I don't need all that. I would rather have a few nice clothes that I can mix up with like different type of pants and like shorts and things of that nature. This is also a good time for me to catch up on my Pastor Mike Jr. If you don't know who he is, I highly suggest you get your life right away and turn on his sermons or his music. I promise you will be blessed. Anyway, it's back to school time and I can't believe it so much. Like, this is just crazy. You guys can check out my video on the supplies that I got my son for first grade, and stay tuned for his back to school clothes shopping, as well as the type of phone I got my 6-year-old, because I don't trust these schools and I need to get in contact with my kid. I need to know where he's at all times. So you raise your kid how you see fit, and I'll do the same. Okay. But if you do want to see what kind of phone I get him, then make sure you stay tuned. Press the subscribe button because I'll be showing you guys more on that. I'm not too big on breakfast some days, so I made this cold brew with chocolate chip cookie dough cold foam, and it tastes amazing. Well, as you guys can see, another one bites the dust. When I'm finished with the clothes basket, I restart the process and do it all over again. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, make sure you press the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.